What's the fastest way to get to $10,000 per month with your agency or your business? So, hey guys, in today's video, we'll go through a few steps on how you can get your company or your agency to $10,000 per month mark, which I think it's something that when you're starting your first business are trying to get to, and it's your goal. That was actually my goal. So I dedicated everything to reach out to $10,000 per month, and then it's 100K and 1 million and so on. So, but let's focus on $10,000 per month. First, the most important step is, of course, sales. Without sales, your company won't be successful. And in the beginning, and even to this day, I do sales for my agency, and eventually, if you'll get to a certain point, you can hire salespeople. But in the beginning, and especially from $0 to $10,000 per month, you'll do the sales. So you need to get in the trenches, get your education, watch as many videos as possible on sales, on how to convert better, more, and start reaching out to your potential customers, to ICP, which is Ideal Customer Profile. Pick a niche, or in the beginning, just reach out to anyone, just do the job. That's what I did. I started reaching out to basically any industry in Slovakia, and I was able to close few of them in the beginning, and then I build on that. So yeah, first of all, do the sales, get your leads, start cold calling, cold DMing, cold emailing. Just in my opinion, the cold calling is the most effective one, which is the most painful, but it's most effective. So that's what I would do if I would do it again. So do the sales. In the beginning, you want to do pay-per-result structure. It's really important in the beginning when you are starting out, because you can get a lot more clients, because you can close them based on this structure, because they don't have any risk working with you. So that's why it is important, and that's what I did with my agency. I structured it as monthly retainer plus pay-per-result structure, but I had experience in sales. So with my previous jobs, I did sales, so I knew how to communicate. But if you're just starting out, I would recommend you to do just pay-per-result structure. And it will push you to do a better job with second step, which is service itself that you are doing. So service delivery. This is the second most important one. Few people would argue with me if it's not the most important, but if you are not good at sales and you are not doing sales, you don't get the chance to show your service. So I don't think so. Service delivery, it's the second most important one when you sign your client, of course, it's obvious, but just make sure in the beginning, I assume that you'll do the service, so you'll do the fulfillment of your service, and you'll either bring leads or bring orders or whatever your service is. Just make sure that with your first few clients, you'll over-deliver for them, because you can basically exchange your retainer and do the pay-per-result structure and get as many testimonials as possible. Ideally, video testimonials based on your country. And for example, in Slovakia, it's a little bit harder to get video testimonials because people are not used to that in Slovakia, but nevertheless, they are really important. And then you can build on that. So you can look at numbers that you are delivering for your clients in terms of your service and improve that and really work on that. That was my case. So I got to $10,000 per month. Just me doing sales, me doing the service, and basically I am able to this day have really good conversion rate because I know how the service works, because I used to do that. So that's why I really recommend that. And that's it. And basically the third most important one, testimonials are, I would say, the most important thing after service delivery, of course, because it allows you to use those testimonials further and scale your business more. So I would say that when you reach $10,000 per month, you are getting pay-per-result commissions and clients are satisfied with your service. You believe more in the service, it just skyrockets. So from $10,000 per month, I would say to $50,000 per month, or $40,000 per month. It's, I would say, really easy to get to from 10,000, because you can then leverage paid ads and your testimonials, everything, and you'll get more experience in selling and this sort of stuff. So for example, my closing rate with my agency as an owner is around 50 to 70%, which I think should be your goal with your agency, to get to that mark, because you are the owner. If you then hire a first sales rep, his close rate will be, I think, if he's really good, around 20 to 30%, because he cannot leverage the experience. You can basically work with your potential customer better. So you can maybe give him better price or do some sort of discount, just get him over the line. So that's why I'm saying that I have the best conversion rate, and I believe the most in the service because I own the business, which makes sense. So yeah, those are 3 simple steps in order for you to make your first $10,000. Let me know if you would like me to talk about more each individual step, and yeah, see you in the next one.